God have mercy.
Double. How many hours will it take you for you to watch this thing? I'm asking you. Can anything good come out of you, Double? You're not good in bed. You can't even provide for me. You are lazy. You are poor. Come on to watch this thing. It's hard for you, right? And you want to make excuses.
See, baby,
Shut. Who is your baby? Come on to watch this thing. Is hard for you. So after giving you food, you expect me to watch this so I can prove good white material for you, Abi? You are what? I say you are what? Idiot. As you can't use this water to wash the machine, I want to use it to wash your useless face, animal. I'm even thought that you are standing there. Oh, yeah, go inside. Be going. Idiot, poor wretched animal. Be going, also.